Yeah, okay. So in last video we have seen that to how to create an user and how to connect with database, right? So hereafter, this is an SQL plus, right? So that it's a terminal. So the interface will be difficult, no, for pressures, everything. So that we require a tool called SQL Developer. So a lot of tools are there like Todd, everything. So we will use SQL Developer. So for 19C, I will search. Let me same. So SQL Developer, you have to search in Google. So you have to download from here. Better. So issue bit. Yeah, this is better. Yes, that is version. So that I will be download this. So there will 5 MB is there. Yeah, I think it started downloading. Sometimes you last login. Already I have logged in, right, to Oracle. So that you have to create a log ready for Oracle. Better. So it's downloading. Please wait. Yeah, hope downloading has been going to complete. Yeah, it's done. Right? So take some time to download. Yeah, it's downloaded. So I will take from here and I will go to the drive. Yeah, coming here, I'm going to software. I'm having a lot of softwares here. So I'm unzipping this. Unzip 2. So unzip internet port version to Mac. Yeah, Oracle having a lot of applications. That will need a lot of stuff will be there. So hope it should. Here I have in last video I have shown you, right? So here I have saved everything. So these are the grant commands I'm giving access to the user. Okay. So username or there. So I'm commenting this. SQL plus SQL plus DBS. So CodingPlaza username, password also CodingPlaza I have created. So it's came right. SQL developer code trigger. So in this one, actually SQL developer no need to install, like no installation and required. Okay, so that directly you can able to do it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to start. Then it will come here. Yeah. So I'm going to open this. I started opening. Oh, first time it will take some time. Please wait. Yeah. I think it has asked something. Would you like to import a visit? Yes or no? So it is started, right? So what's our development page not required. So we'll go for connections. So by default it will take port number 1521. Okay. So we'll create an database OnlinePlaza. So role will be default, right? Okay. Coding. We'll take from here example I have saved now. Waste. We'll try to test it. So actually service name would be OS0, right? Yes. Escape no. Because my database name is ORCL, right? So I'm going to save this. Instead I'm going to connect. So it will ask password whenever I'm going to connect this newly. What happened is not denied. Sorry. Oh, I have to paste. Yeah, hope it's loading. Yeah, right. Yeah, this you have to download the SQL developer. You have to connect the user which you have been created, right? So these are the tables will be there, views will be here, a lot of stuff will be there in left side. So for reference, I'm going to fire. know. Yeah, this is what the video guide for today. Yeah, let's catch up tomorrow. Right.